Hey friends, Punk here from North 44. A lot happened here on the farm while we were all obsessing over the newly hatched turkeys for a while there, but after months of planning, prepping, planting, failing, succeeding, sorrow and joy, we are nearly all planted. So let's go back in time for a bit to see some of what it took to get here. The wind was awful this spring. It made all the prep work so much harder than it had to be. Not my best one, not my worst one. Adequate. The garlic came up strong, was promptly eaten by deer, but then thankfully recovered.
It's not going to cut itself.
Sticks the landing. Good boy. Oh no, guys, look what I just did. Oh, not to mention how crooked that came out. Oh my god. It's gonna look horrible from space. I'm gonna find a big rock. Quick. Big rock. Bigger. Yes. I don't know, that doesn't make it any better. Oh. Good morning, garlic. I just seeded the carrots. And peas starting to come up. Live. Hire someone to follow me around with a camera. And I can't deal with all of this. Only one person. This is a lot, guys. It's a lot. I promise it's a lot. Okay. Okay, kids. Hi, look. Oh, yeah, don't bother to use the awesome ramp I built you. Aw, brave littles. Proud of you guys. Dickie and Javi fought their way through the entire spring. Will I ever learn not to keep two roosters? I guess time will tell. How's it going?
Hot.
It's a sail! Hang on. Ah! I stepped in the boat and I'm sorry. Oh, Bigfoot. Nah, man. I need 1,600 feet.
I'm guessing it's like my leg.
Oh, wait.
I'm like, I think this is right.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, you want to stay and plant like 500 peppers?
I would, but I've seen some kids before.
Awesome.
Yay. Tomatoes are in. And coming soon, peppers. And eggplant. And husk cherries. Oh my god, you guys, look what I just did. No. Oh, that's so painful. I gotta find a rock. Here, cover it up, cover it up, cover it up, cover it up. You, no you, no you, no you, no you, no you, no you, you. Oh. Oh. Took a big fat shit on me. Jalapeno and I are having a rough time here. I love how he does this. Just cuts around. Gives it a shove. Oh, he is good. Alright, so remember all those black walnuts that we saved last fall? It's time to sprout. I always go through the bin and I find the nuts that are starting to crack and send out their little dicky there. So I'm sure that I got a good nut and not a bad nut. And I just stick it in sideways, about 1.5 inches, 2 inches down, no deeper than that. Firm it up real good. Water it. Now we wait. That's it. And these we sell as saplings, so other people can experience the beauty and the pain in the assery of having a couple giant black walnut trees in their yard. Can't I have any spot on my property that doesn't have giant chicken holes in it? Where's the beets? Where's the beets? Where's the beets? Oh, look, there's one. Come on. Asshole chipmunks dug up all the black walnuts that we planted. So, yeah. Here's the latest in my week from hell. 300 cucumber plants, all systematically dying. You're not gonna believe this. Here, let's see if there's any way you can see this. First symptom, droopy droop. Pull it up. Stem looks fine, right? Stem looks fine. Open up the stem. Hundreds of little squishy maggot larva things. Ah, die, 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 die. Yes. It's disaster. Epic proportions. There they go. Going, gone. Unbelievable.
Hit the yellow swinger. 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 Hit the yello
Boys always smile and giggle when they shoot big guns. I think it's really cute.
Sounds like it. Yep. Oop. Yeah, it's too close.
Whoa,
I can't tell you how good it was to see these guys. Pop's taking good care of you? Gilly Boo Boo?
They like to be on the top of a perch, don't they?
Yep. Get as high up as they can.
Yep.
They'll fly up on your head sometimes just because it's 6 inches higher.
Oh. You can't really see very good. But
Yeah. Hopefully it gets better as he gets older.
Put it down.
You can let him.
Can I
Yeah,
put
you
him
can
on the
let.
grass?
Yeah, you can put him on the grass. You protect. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy.
Alright,
You love your pops.
Your feet are all wet. Your feet are all wet. Yes, they're all wet. And you jump up on top of me. Good boy.
Under the broiler. What do we got?
Just waiting for this to get a tiny bit crispy. Good. Getting
Nice.
smells so good. I know everything's cooked.
I help.
Okay.
Bing bang boom.
Okay.
Look at your grand dog. Does that smell good? Do you only ever get good stuff when Hobbs is here?
This was the thickest piece.
5-star paper plate settings.
That's right. They're dishes.
That's how we roll at North 44.
That here.
Brilliant. What are you doing?
He's in Hop's bag. He wants to come home with Hops.
Do you want to be my kitties now? No, it's a long ride. And you puke in cars. Okay, happy trails to you. Alrighty, here we are back at present day. Glad we're all caught up now. And I let all the kids out. And the babies sleep in the big coop now with their dad and their auntie chickens. And in the nursery, we got Cal and her 2 littles doing great. A little chilly out, but she can take them out. Stop eating my roses. And now Cecilia wants to be a mom. Hi, sweetie. Yeah, it's tiring, isn't it? Sitting there all day. I candled the other day. She did get up, and they all look good. Oh, you okay, sweetie? A little sip. Yeah, that's. Boy, clear the area for the babies. I keep calling these guys the babies, but they're not the babies anymore. That first hatch of layers are now almost full grown. The Freedom Rangers are a month old. And now they're out here too. Good morning. Hey, Prue. And I got 3 turkeys in here. And they're from a different bloodline, so to restart our breeding program. We'll save all the girls from the big hatch and we'll pair them up with one of these, and probably not blind Gilbert. So he's very sweet and he's welcome to stay here. Hi. Hi, Gilly. Gilly Boo Boo. I don't know what we're gonna do about Smalls. We'll see when the time comes. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, Gilly, you wanna come with me? Gilbert just flew into my arms. I think he sees a little bit. I mean, when I bring him over and put him down on the deck, he pecks at the screw heads and he'll peck at my ring, so he sees shiny things. Definitely shadows and stuff, and he knows where the food and water is. Doesn't require too much extra special attention, except that he's imprinted on me and he's super needy. Yeah, you super needy boy. Oh, Gilly. And then you'll notice this crew is a lot lighter. Morning. I sold 16 out of here in the last month. And Javi is the last roux standing. We found a good home for Dickie. And they sent me a message and said, he's really, really nice and working out well. So that makes me happy. All right, let's go get 7 down. Easy, bud. Easy, easy, easy. I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, hi, 7. Good morning. Oh, and Javi now only has one eye. And we don't know why. And the second planting of beans actually came up. The cucumber crisis. Let's see, the bleeding stopped at about 70 plants out of 300. I replanted most everything. So we'll have a staggered cucumber harvest this year. Some will be behind. Something's chomping on my leaves already. And we're steadily getting there, trellising the cukes. Maddie's been making these in the shop. Save a little space going vertical. Still probably planted them too close together. Leeks, pearl onions, storage onions, lettuce, romaine, extra garlic. All doing well. All right, let's go slam through a quick tour in the backfield. Beautiful day. It's chilly. June 18th. Yowza. Plot number 6. Summer carrots and storage carrots yet to be seeded. I'll do that next week. You can see the weed crisis I'm dealing with here. Some zucchini and some winter squash and stuff along the edge. 100-foot row of celery. Man, that's a lot of weeds. I did get through all those weeds in the beets and the chard. Eventually, only to have most of it come back. So yeah, I'll be dealing with that for the whole summer, it looks like. And this is plot number 4. Peas doing well along the fences. Radishes, red cabbage, green cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, broccoli number 2, kale, more peas. Plot number 2, garlic. Yowza, this is going to be a great crop as long as we get adequate rain after I pull these scapes off. You see, they're not quite ready yet. I'll wait till they do their full curl. They're already pre-sold out. I want to give everyone a good bang for their buck. Nice long, juicy scape. Wow. Plot 7. I'm really excited about this. I turned this into a whole herb garden and flower garden rather than having them here, there, everywhere. This is more organized. Got oregano, parsley, basil, catnip, sage, thyme, marjoram, rosemary. Got a thing of dill going up the middle there that something ate half of. And some sunflowers in the last 2 rows. Sight. And plot number 5, just planted a few days ago, I think 4 or 5 days ago. And not up yet, but this is corn, painted mountain corn, decorative, slash flint corn, cornmeal. It's gonna be nice to make arrangements with these and sell them at festivals. And then some extra radishes, because I'm running out. And then dry beans up the middle, which are maybe not gonna come up with the cold coming. Same with the corn, so stay tuned. This might be a giant disaster. Glass gem corn on this side. Really, really pretty. My friend Nan sent me the seed. I really hope they come up because I'm really excited to have it. Oh, some potatoes on the edges. And plot 8. Just about ready, needing to put the tomato trellis up. I got one big guy who snapped in the back, so it's usually the signal to move your ass and get the trellis up. Husk cherries, eggplant, and all the peppers, basically, that the world offers. Boom! God, I love these guys, but I feel like this is all I do all day, every day now. No! Back this way! Back, 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 back.